Crypto Ofubu YouTube channel. As usual, we want to do a quick one today, looking at the chart of Bitcoin, what the price action is doing, and a bit of market news, and also one critical sector in the crypto space that is becoming very hot at the moment. As a matter of fact, it's one of the hottest, talking about the gaming cryptos and the gaming projects. We're going to be taking a look at one of the gaming projects that has the potentials of giving what we call the ground floor profit. So that being said and done, let's quickly look at what Bitcoin is doing here today. I think not much different from what we saw yesterday. Like I have said, that Bitcoin is going to rover around this area for some time before we are going to see a probable breakout, and leading to the end of the month and to the new month, I think we are going to see some volatile price action. So for now, the $60,000 support is still holding Bitcoin very strongly, and the probability of breaking below 60k now is very, is very blink. We will be looking at the market participant right away. Let's see what the market participants are doing. Let's open up the chart and see what the market participants are doing. When I say market participant, I'm talking about those that are buying and selling. Now if we look at these demand and supply bar, we notice that the sell pressure was vertically absorbed. This kind of candle, this kind of red candle, is supposed to result to a very significant significant downside in the price of Bitcoin, but that did not reflect. Bitcoin is still holding that 60k support, and this is to tell us that the bulls are in charge, and the demand is far more than the supply for now. That is why Bitcoin did not react to that long, big, red, supply candle. And right now, today we saw some demand coming in, sustaining Bitcoin once again above 60k. So that is that for the market participant. Let's look at what the RSI is telling us, which is very important. Now, whenever you see this RSI, between 60 and 80, that is, we are in a very bullish territory. Between 60 and 80 is a very bullish territory, and in this territory you have to be very careful, because when Bitcoin crosses above 70 going to above 80, that already indicates an overstretched territory, is an overbought territory. But let's look at the RSI in the weekly. The RSI in the weekly, the RSI in the weekly is not in overbought territory. It has not crossed the 70, not talking of going to 80. In the previous highs, January highs, we saw the RSI going to as high as 95, and look at where we are currently now. We are far from that. So that is to tell you that we have a more upside in this next leg up to the upside for Bitcoin. Now let's look at the MACD. Let's look at what the MACD is showing us. The MACD is pointing down, but this blue will need to cross this line, this orange line, to confirm any signs of bearishness. But for now, we have not seen that happen. Likely we are going to see this blue decoupling itself once again from this orange line, and if that happens, then we'll continue our move to the upside. So that is that for Bitcoin. Now let's quickly look at the altcoin that we want to look at, the gaming altcoin that we want to look at. The gaming altcoin that we want to look at today that has a very massive potential is called the Race. It's called the Race. That's the gaming crypto. These gaming cryptos already are minting millions for people as we speak, and it's quite very early. Just like when we started talking about the NFT market. People were not listening, paying attention. In fact, it was like sounding so strange. But right now we can see what is happening in the NFT marketplace. Is huge. That is what is going to happen in the gaming cryptos also. So taking position right now in the gaming crypto is quite sensible. And if you take note of almost all the market cap of the gaming cryptos are very tiny market cap. Like the race. Now look at the market cap. It's $87 million for the market cap. Imagine if this thing goes to 500 million and it's go to 1 billion. Imagine the kind of profits that people are going to make out of this. This is going to be quite very serious. Well, I'm a chart man. I love looking at chart. This is the all-time chart of the race. The price was as low as 50 cents back then in June. And right now we're above $3. Well, looking at the market cap, there's a long way for this guy to go. The all-time high, let's take a look at the all-time high, was around $4, so just 12% away from the all-time high. Well, it's quite high. Well, I'm not giving financial advice here. I'm not giving financial advice though. I'm just doing this for educational purpose and for entertainment. So let's take note of that. Very critical. These are the market that we can buy. PancakeSwap, Uniswap, These are places that we can buy the race. Let's just quickly take a look at the website of the race and what they are doing. All right, the race. Introducing the race. The race is a complete NFT horse racing ecosystem where you can participate in horse races, breed NFT horses with unique characteristics, build your own NFT, IPO drone, and make a profit while doing this. Yeah, the race is actually in the NFT marketplace. Though I call the gaming, but they have some gaming also involved in it. Okay, these are the exchanges that they are listed, which we have already looked at before. One critical thing that I like looking at is the team behind the project. Let's see the team behind this project. The team behind this project. That is one critical thing I like. Taking a look at also. This particular crypto combines. They are in the NFT marketplace and they're also in the gaming marketplace. All right. Let's come down and look at. Okay, I love looking at the team behind every project. Let's see the team behind this project. I think we're supposed to get that here. We're supposed to get that here. Just a moment. Let's see the team behind this project. I think they have quite a very impressive team. I have already taken a look at that before now. I have seen the backers of this project, and they are also some of the biggest venture capitalists in the crypto space. And I think this project will not be a bad one. Looking at those that are behind this project, I see this project as one with very good prospects. Okay, it has opened up. Okay, they have quite a large team behind this project. Quite a large team behind this project. Okay, let's look at their backers. Downmaker. Well, we know Downmaker. Those are one of the early cryptos that in the market that have been doing significant profits that move up very significantly. Downmaker, AU12 Capital, X21. We have AC Capital again here. We have Cross Ventures here. We have Reblock. We have Chainlink, Binance NFT. This is quite very impressive. Well, anything can fail in life. This does not mean that this project does not have a 1% chance of failing. But looking at the fundamentals around the project and looking at how the market cap of the project is right now, how early they are in the market right now. I think chances of running at a loss, investing in this project is very, very slim. All right, this is the race. Let's take note of it. Okay, one other thing we want to look at now. Let's look at some of the few news that we have in the marketplace today. Investment advisors prohibited from crypto activities in India, regulator warns. Well, India have been doing this over time, yet they are one of the largest. They have one of the largest holders of crypto in the world. The court has always told them, giving a verdict against the government each time they go to the courts, regarding these issues. Nigerian Central Bank says it is now ready to launch CBDC, downplay previous failure. All right, and then coming down again, you see Pakistan government not against crypto investment. High Court calls for regulations. We have some very good news today here. So this is what we have for us today. Subsequently, we are going to be doing offering more content purely on educational basis, not financial advice. So I want to appreciate us. I want to thank us once more again for having time. But before I go, I want us to please as you watch this video, like this video, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, and click on the notification bell, turn it on, so that at every point in time you can see what is happening in the market. We are here to inform you of what is going on in the market. Before I go, one more chart I would really like to take a look at here. Before I go, that is chart of Shiba Inu. This is the chart of Shiba Inu, a very simple one. We see Shiba Inu coming to touch the previous all-time high, dipping down, forming this little horizontal channel and breaking above the previous high right now. We don't know how far it's going to go, but this look quite very bullish, because looking at the RSI, we are between the 60 and 80 range of the RSI, and also the MACD is also about flipping bullish for MACD is almost about flipping bullish for Shiba Inu. So that is that for Shiba Inu. I think we have covered quite a lot today. Looking forward to meet you once again in this channel subsequently. Thank you for your time. God bless you. Stay well and have a nice time.